Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talk Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can disable Windows Defender on your PC. So if you're using Windows 10, I'm currently using Windows 11, these steps may be similar or may be applicable to you as well. So let's get right into it. Let's go to settings, find virus and threat protection. Then from here, what we want to do is we want to drag this down, Microsoft Defender antivirus option, and we want to turn this off. The periodic scanning, we want to turn it off as much as possible. Now, if you want to disable Microsoft Defender permanently, there is a way to do it. On the start icon, right click, select run, type in regedit, select yes, and then from here, let me close this so you can see the full steps. From here, what we want to do is we want to select on HKey local machine and then go to software, scroll down, find policies, large that up, enlarge Microsoft, go to Windows Microsoft Defender, policy manager, right click, select new, dword 32-bit value, then add disable anti-spyware. Enter, click on this, add value data 1, select OK, and that's it. It disables Windows Defender already. Now, if in case you want to enable it again or you want it to be installed again or to run again on your computer or your PC or laptop, what you want to do is you just want to click on this, right click, and then delete. And that's it. It's already back online. Well, we hope we were able to help you out on this. If we did, of course, please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and we will see you for more videos like this. Follow us only here on Talk Guy.